Hello, thanks for dropping in. As you can see today, I have gathered together the pet I've been working on, the pet I was working on, and the one I have which has, and likely will continue to be, a donor for parts. But as you can see, the keyboard is missing, the data set is missing, and I think the monitor, well, from what I can tell, it doesn't light up. But I really haven't investigated much. Now, do I have another data set I could use? Oh, sure. A keyboard? No, I don't. I do not. What I do have right handy here is the Service Reference Guide. Behold. And this, of course, look, it has blue keys on here. It also, it's a CBM on here, and there were, it's funny, not many that I know of, small screen pets that were made that said CBM, although I do remember a fellow in high school I went to, smart fellow, but oh, he was most indignant when I referred to his computer as a pet. He said, "Mine is not a pet. I have a business machine." And he went off with his nose in the air. Yes. The only difference between the pet and the CBM was the nameplate on the front. It had no more memory. It had, nothing was faster. Nothing was better. It was just the sticker. In this case, yeah. Yep. Anyway, I suppose what I might do right now is turn this on. Now, I have not completed the process of checking more RAM chips. But I will. I have more RAM chips here. I'm going to put this tape in. And of course I will be kind and rewind. It was right at the far end, of course. What was I doing? Oh, the other thing I have, and I haven't put it in yet, I have to research and see if it will work in here. And I think it does, but I don't remember, is this wonderful diagnostic tool where you take the 6502 chip out and you put this thing in. And then it will tell you things. I've run it on another, I guess it was probably a 4032 or 4016 with a large screen. Now let me just check. Yes, it is indeed done. Now I am not sure what's on here, but the only tape that I have been using is this other, it's a Maxell, it's just a music tape, and I have been saving things on there. So this does not have its full complement of RAM yet. Right now it's actually a 7K pet rather than an 8K pet. ROM test. Ooh. Let's see what happens. ROM test in progress. I seem to remember this from way back when. The screen would flicker some. And it does things. I know it's exciting to watch. The other thing I'm going to do soon, very soon, is plug this machine in and see what I see. I do remember whenever I was doing the video for this, I was getting pretty upset and discouraged. So, as it says, ROM test in progress. The other tapes here, and maybe there were supposed to be more, I don't know. Excuse me. Are, well, this is diagnostic tape, test tape 2 for the Commodore PET. 2040 system test /C for the, I imagine, for the disk drive. And then test printer. There are some discs in here, and I don't know, they're not really well marked. For example, oh, okay, one says 2040 system test, another one just says S. Another one, there are two of them, they say A. There's another S disc, and then something, oh, it's supposedly an alignment disc. Supposedly so. But in the binder, all kinds of cool information. And of course, the binder itself is. Now, this is running. I'm not sure for how long it is supposed to take. It looks like pretty much the contents of the binder are loose. So I'm just quickly looking to see what it says about the programs, if anything. Pet service kit contents. Ooh. Testing the pet. Paragraph 5 should be read. When testing the position of the rows will be reversed. Interesting. Schematics. Maybe this. Oh, it can't be just one page. But, well, that's just the contents. Schematics. Let's see here. Maybe this is supposed to be this way around. 8K service kit. I will have to look through. Oh, it looks like things about the printer. So the ROM test is in progress. And it says it has a number 1 up there. I wish I had a description of what it was that this was doing and how long it was expected to take. They don't know. One thing I do find cool is, first of all, this tape still works. This has got to be like more than 40 years old. And look, isn't it lovely? Test Programs 1, Commodore PET. What's on the back? I don't know. What's anything? I don't know. But I suppose I do not want to disturb this. So maybe I'll just let it sit here for a while and see what it does. Over here, I do have some more RAM chips. I do. So perhaps in short order, I can get this to its full 8K. Perhaps. Anyway, thank you for coming and seeing the triplets together. It's funny, you know, this one has a sticker on Home Computer Center. And where that's from, I don't know. And do I want to remove it? Maybe. I'm afraid, though, that it might, you know, the paint might rip off underneath. I don't know. Maybe I should leave that to, if I do sell this one, to whoever gets it to decide what they want to do with it. Because, of course, that sticker is part of the story of that machine, whatever that story is. And this is still doing its thing. So, I think I'll call it not a day, but certainly for this moment, watching this thing do its thing, which I don't know what it's doing, I don't even know what its thing is not really exciting. And I would rather let it do its thing quietly without us having to watch over it. I think I shall. So, thanks for coming, and stay tuned for more exciting moments, undoubtedly, maybe even some cursing with these three machines. What I'd really like to do is have two of them at work, and I am forever hopeful. So, until we meet again, bye for now.